Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Scientific Linux 6.10 in VirtualBox 5.2. So Scientific Linux 6.10 is a clone of Red Hat 6.10. So first I am going to create one virtual machine. So I am giving some name here, Scientific Linux 6.10. So type Linux and I'm selecting Red Hat. So I am assigning GB to this virtual machine. So and I am going to create virtual hard drive, which is a dynamically allocated virtual hard drive, the size of 20 GB. So Scientific Linux 6.10 virtual machine is created now. So I want to modify some of the settings here. So I am giving some processor cores here. Storage, I am selecting Scientific Linux 6.10 DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded from Scientific Linux website. The rest of the settings I am leaving as it is. So it's telling some processor core are to be reduced. So I am reducing the processor core to be 2. So this will be enough for Scientific Linux 6.10. So now I am going to start the virtual machine and proceed the installation. So now I am selecting installation system with the video driver. So I am skipping the media test. So now the installation screen arrived. So English will be the default installation language. So basic storage device I am selecting. So I am discarding all the data so that the file system will be formatted. So and I am selecting my time zone now. So I'm giving the root password. Here I am selecting use all space. So here we can see the layout. So I am giving next button so that the changes will be returned to the disk. So bootloader will be installed in /dev/sda, that is in the root folder. So now desktop option is selected. So desktop option will be optimal since I am installing this in laptop. So I am selecting the desktop option. So now I go to click the next button. So now the installation going to start now. So after the installation, we will navigate the Scientific Linux 6.10. So installation is completed. Now I am rebooting the virtual machine. So welcome screen arrives. So some initial settings have to be done here. So accept the license agreement. So then I am going to create one login user for this virtual machine. So I am selecting date and time. So kdump, I am disabling the kdump. So I don't need kdump. So I am disabling this one. So again, once again, virtual machine will be rebooting. So VM was rebooted successfully. So now I am logging into Scientific Linux 6.10. So now we are going to navigate the applications one by one.